First of all, the thing is you just need to install Termux here. To install Termux here, you guys can able to see the Play Store. Okay, just open the Play Store and search for Termux. Okay, here you guys can able to see the Termux, which is around 18 MB. Just install this one. See, in this whole class I am not using this one. Okay, I am using this one. Just let me show you simple. Just open the Chrome and just type there Termux GitHub. Okay, here you guys can able to see there is a releases. Okay, there is a releases. Simple click on releases. Here you guys can able to see there is a this one, which is a U. Just need to download this one. Okay, which is around 101 MB, right? And which is a universal one. Okay, just simple click it and download it. Okay, see, I don't want to download this one because I already downloaded it. Because sometimes what will happen means in Termux, whenever we just try to do some PKG update or PKG upgrade, then what will happen means at that time we will get 404 errors. Okay, so that's why we are using this one. Okay, universal one, yes, this is the thing. Okay, now the thing is, you guys here, you guys can also see that Termux source code as well. Okay, if you want to modify this one, you guys can also modify it. Okay, modify it, just simple. Let me close this one. And here you guys can able to see Termux is there. Okay, now if I type here git, then see here it will show you the program git is not installed. Install it by executing pkg install git. Now same thing we see in Linux as well. Okay, whenever you just type any command, if the application or the script is not there, that time what happened means Linux also show the same output, right? So it's a nothing but it's the same like Linux. Okay, but something, okay, some things are around 10% is different. That's it. Okay, so you no need to worry here. This is very easy. If you don't know Linux as Linux, then only then also you guys can able to get this one. Okay, it's a very easy things now. Simple. Let me solve this git because git is very important for us to install scripts to run this one. Simple, just type here pkg install git, just type enter C. I am getting this this one here. Okay, I'm getting this kind of issue. I can't able to download this one. Okay, I failed to fetch. Just see. Here I'm getting some error here. So at that time, what I need to do means simple go to home and here just click on app info. Here you guys can able to see storage, clear storage, clear storage, go tag. And here there is a permission is here. Click on storage, click on allow here. Okay, now simple go back and let me open the Termux again. Okay, here it is now. Simple zoom this one. Let me zoom this. Okay, right now simple, just type here pkg what install to install git. Okay, just type here git, just type tab enter. Now let me see. Thank you.